In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trailhead to become a Salesforce developer. If you've ever aspired to dive into the world of Salesforce development, Trailhead is an excellent resource that offers a structured learning path. Let's begin with creating a foundation for your journey. The first step is to sign up for a free Trailhead account. This is your starting point to access a wealth of resources and tailored learning experiences. Simply head over to Trailhead's website and follow their prompts to get your account up and running. It's free, and once you're in, you'll have access to numerous trails and modules that can guide your learning. Once you've signed up, the next move is to choose the Salesforce Developer Learning Path. This specific path is designed to provide you with the skills necessary to become proficient in Salesforce development. By choosing this path, you align your learning with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your desired role. With your learning path set, begin by completing the beginner trails focusing on CRM basics and data modeling. These beginner trails are essential as they lay the groundwork by introducing you to the fundamental concepts and tools you'll be using. Understanding customer relationship management basics is crucial to functioning effectively within the Salesforce ecosystem. Next, dive into learning Apex, SOCool, and Lightning Web Components, or LWC for short. These are pivotal technologies in Salesforce development. Apex is a programming language that allows developers to execute flow and transaction control statements on Salesforce servers. SOQL, or Salesforce Object Query Language, is vital for retrieving data. LWC, on the other hand, empowers you to build modern web applications. Engaging with these elements will significantly enhance your capability to build and customize Salesforce applications. To further solidify your understanding, earn super badges. These act like hands-on projects where you get to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. They're fantastic for gaining practical experience and demonstrating your proficiency in Salesforce development tasks. Don't forget the importance of community along the way. Joining Trailblazer community groups can provide a wonderful support network. You'll connect with other learners and professionals who can offer advice, answer questions, and even collaborate on learning projects. These connections are invaluable as they can offer support during challenging modules and open up networking opportunities. As you become more comfortable, prepare for the Platform Developer I certification. This certification is recognized in the industry and validates your skills and knowledge. Trailhead offers resources and practice exams to help you get ready and build confidence for the exam day. Finally, keep learning by engaging with advanced trails to grow your skills further. The landscape of technology is ever evolving, and continuous learning is key to staying updated with the latest tools and practices in Salesforce development. By following these structured and comprehensive steps, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Salesforce developer through Trailhead. Happy learning!